In this video, I'm going to show you how to link HFM to MetaTrader 5. This video is for educational purposes only, so let's get started. When you log into your HFM account, you're going to be presented with this page. All you have to do is to click on this menu. When you click on this menu, you're going to see this option here that says My Wallet. Once you click on this My Wallet, it will bring you to this wallet section. So all you have to do is to click on this live account section. If you're using a demo account, you can choose this demo account section. So once you're on this section, as you can see, I don't have a demo account. You can open a demo account from here, but I'm going to be linking live accounts in these tutorials. You can open a live account from here if you don't have a live account. So I already have one sent live account that I want to link to my MetaTrader 5. All you have to do is to click on this arrow. Once you click on this arrow, it's going to bring out the details of the account. All you have to do is to remember the server. The server is HFM Markets Global Live 20, and then the trading account login ID is this number here. So all I have to do is to click on this icon here. Once I click on this icon, as you can see, I have copied the number. The number is also here. Look at the number. So once you copy the number, all you have to do now is to head over to your MetaTrader 5 app. So once you're in the MetaTrader 5 app, all you have to do is to add trading account. You can add trading account from here. You can click on this menu and then click on Get Started, or click on this plus, whichever one, and then find your broker. So my broker is HFM. Let me search for HFM. So this is HFM. So there are a lot of HFM here. But I think my HFM is HFM Markets Global. So I'll select this HFM Markets Global. How did I know that it's HFM Markets Global? If we go back to this HFM page now, you will see that we have HFM Markets Global. So that's why I choose HFM Markets Global. So depending on your country, just look at your server. You're going to see and know the one to choose. So I choose that one, though the SV Limited is not there, but because of the HFM Markets Global, that's why I think I'm correct. So now I'll click on this section here. Once I click here, I'm going to see the options of the server that we have here, and the one I can remember I have there is HFM Markets Global Live 20, this one. So once I click on it, this one has been selected. So the next thing for me now is to paste the login ID that I copied. So once I paste the login ID, I will have to enter my trading password. That is the trading password that you created when you are creating the live account or when you are creating the demo account. So let me enter the trading password and we proceed. So now I have entered my trading password. The next thing for me to do is to click on this save password. You have to save this password so that you will not be asked to enter your trading password again anytime you open the MetaTrader 5 app. Now that everything is correct, I'll have to click on login. It's logging in. So now I have logged in and this is a sent account. If you encounter any error like authorization failed or any other error, it means your trading password is incorrect. If you have forgotten your trading password, you can create or reset your trading password at any time. So once you reset your trading password, make sure you enter the correct details, both your login details, select your correct server, and you're able to link your HFM account to your MetaTrader 5 app. Now, let me click on trade and we're going to see the balance that we have there. So this is the sent account. My HFM account has been linked successfully to the MT5 app. Now, give this video a like and subscribe to this channel. You can ask me a question in the comments or tell me where you're watching this video from. The link to join my Telegram channel is in the video description. And don't forget to check out this video on your screen right now. I explain everything in this video step by step in the way you understand it. Click on this video to watch it and I will see you in the video. Thank you for watching.